Welcome to the show, guys. Today we are taking you behind the scenes on our new RV series, Building the Dream. We're here in Douglas, Georgia at Phoenix Manufacturing, and we're going to be taking a quick look at park models. Totally different, totally excited, so let's head on in. Welcome everyone. I'm here with Colton Rogers, the CEO of Phoenix Manufacturing. You know what, Colton? You've got a great business. Tell us about your company.
Well, we're probably about 3 years old. Initially, we started buying a used park model for a rental. So we bought a 1984. I went and got it with my truck, set it up. By the time my wife got off work, we had a house.
Nice.
We stayed in it that evening, decided we should rent it out. So we started Airbnb-ing it. It was a success. We needed more. We couldn't find any more. So here we are now.
Park models are absolutely something completely different from anything I know you guys are used to. I know we aren't. We traveled 48 states all over America in a fifth wheel and a Class C, and any chance we get to actually look at these park models, it's fantastic. That's one of the reasons we're here, and that's one of the reasons I thank you, Colton, for allowing us to be here with you and kind of take the team behind the scenes on how to build these. Absolute quality build. We took a quick look at it when we got here. These things are fantastic. I know that the customers that call Phoenix Manufacturing have specific goals in mind, and 100% know for a fact that you guys are meeting it.
Oh, absolutely.
So you know what? We're gonna go check out and see what Pam's up to.
Hey, I'm here with Jodi today. She's the operations manager, and she takes care of the clients on the interior, any kind of design. So let us hear from her what her part in the company is and how she finds clients, how she helps them. So let's hear it from you.
Well, thank you. Thank you both for coming. We really appreciate it. So we are a family-owned business. So what I do in the company is work with the customers. Most of our customers come from Facebook. Our website draws in a lot of people. We also do get some local clients who reach out, who are kind of looking for, they like the camping aspect, but they're really looking for something a little more seasonal or permanent. So they reach out to us, and I introduce them to our floor plans that we have, and I walk them through the steps of
like what
kind
options
of
they have,
working out what they're looking for, kind of what their needs are, and then we get to do the fun part. Whenever they select a floor plan, we get to choose the floor colors, countertop options.
Almost like buying a house.
Exactly. Almost like the finishings of the home, and I stay with them through the whole process. As we are building their home, we let them know weekly of some photos.
Oh, that's awesome.
And they're welcome to come back during any part of the process to kind of see the build process, see if they want to change anything while we're manufacturing.
Awesome.
But yeah, I stay with them from the beginning, from working to picking out the floor plan until delivery, and then even after then, if they have any issues or anything, I'm the one that they talk to.
Okay, that's amazing. Okay, and so what kind of price range would you say the homes are?
So our homes vary. Our 1 bedroom, 1 bath, no porch home begins at $44,000.
Oh, wow.
And the pricing goes on up to $70,000.
Okay, wonderful. That
kind of just depends on what you're looking for. Your
just like an RV.
Exactly. Yes, exactly like an RV.
Okay, that's amazing. Like the price difference is not that huge, and for if you are a seasonal camper and you don't move your RV constantly, then that's actually a great fit.
Correct.
Well, thank you, Jodi. That was great information. Now we have an idea how the business works, who your clients are, how it's helping you to decide if that would be something for you instead of a traditional RV. And now we're heading to the floor, and we're going to actually show you the different models they have. There are some being built, and one is already finished, so let's go. Wow, it does feel feel like a cabin.
Mm-hmm.
It feels like a vacation.
Yes.
So for this floor plan and this home, what type of client is this one?
So this client came, they were actually upgrading from a fifth wheel.
Okay.
So they're going to be staying in it seasonally.
Okay.
They wanted a cabin. He lives in a wooded area and he loved the cabin feel. He actually came and looked at another cabin that we were doing. He said, I want it exactly like that, except I want you to switch the floor plan because my hookups are on this side. So that's another thing that we can do that sometimes
customize which
RVs.
side. That's amazing.
So that's another reason why we like for the customer to show us the site. If they can even sketch it out for us.
Yeah.
So we'll know exactly where to put their
Place
things
the hookups.
to make it more customizable for them.
I wish we could have done that too. For some parks, you know, the water connection is
Yes.
way far away and some it's in the middle, so that's amazing.
But he came in, he and his wife, they picked out all of the interiors and
So they pick the color of the wood. Would you also paint it from the inside, or is it usually left natural? Like
normally it's left natural just
Okay.
because people like the cabin look.
Yeah.
We do have some other wall options, but most of the time cabin. People
Yeah.
like the tongue and groove or the shiplap.
Wow, that's awesome. Well, let's take a look.
Yeah.
Ah, this is fantastic.
So yeah.
Oh wow, that is beautiful.
So this
So they have all that
is there.
hanging space. That's a great idea. Having it in the hallway.
And you can even put storage boxes, kind of whatever you need.
Yeah.
In this floor plan, this area is typically left open. We also have the option for bunk beds being here.
Yeah.
So folks who have kids, or if they're using it as a rental, they have the option here.
Well,
to
then
have
you
their
can
own
use the
bunks.
barn door just for the bunk beds. I love that.
And then we have the bedroom here.
Oh, wow.
So like I was saying, this
That's
customer
spacious.
wanted the drawer space and the countertop area. They put a large TV there.
Oh, nice.
And all of our floor plans fit either a queen or a king size bed.
Yeah, and it's nice to have taken the dresser or the wardrobe space out of the bedroom because you have more space around the
Yes, yes, you can put nightstands.
bed. Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
so
fantastic.
very spacious.
Wow, that's nice. And on these doors, did you build them yourselves or?
We did not. We were able to actually pick those out from a local place,
Okay.
and we were actually able to just build them and be
Into
able to
the
sit the countertop
yeah,
there.
they're beautiful. That's awesome.
And they do fit the cabin theme.
Yes, they do.
So,
Love it. And now we're gonna go check out the bathroom.
yes.
Yes.
So this is the bathroom.
Okay, that's
The
awesome.
best thing about a park model home is you have a regular bathroom.
Yes.
You have a regular toilet, you have a regular sink, and you have a regular
Oh,
shower.
wow. That's
Um,
awesome.
Very spacious. This particular customer, they wanted some storage,
Yeah, to put
some
soaps and
benches to
things,
put
yeah.
soaps and things in.
Yeah.
But this is probably my favorite thing about park model homes is you have a traditional
Full
bathroom.
yes, yes, that is
But
so
it
true.
operates exactly like an RV
The
does.
same. That's so cool. Amazing. And I really do love all the pine. It does
Yes.
feel like a cabin. And the pocket doors.
Yes.
They save so much space.
They do.
That's nice.
Yes.
And they're all lock in.
Yes.
Like for when it's moving. All right, now to my favorite part. Let's go to the kitchen.
So this area is for the stackable washer and dryer. And then
That's amazing.
above you have your storage. for
Oh,
any
there's more
extra
storage
living.
up there. That is so neat.
And then we make our way into your full kitchen.
Wow. Look at that sink.
Yes. Yes.
Wow.
We love the farmhouse sink.
Yes.
Yeah.
Can I get one of those in the RV?
So
nice.
we do full electric appliances, and everything works off of the home's 50 amp camper cord. Exactly.
So you don't have
as-
gas, you have
Correct.
electric.
Correct.
Okay.
But everything works. Even your washer and dryer
Okay.
will work while you cook a turkey.
Yes, there's no, you don't have to worry because it's 50 amp, you're saying.
Exactly.
You can do it all at the same time.
Yes.
That's amazing.
And this island is actually portable.
Oh,
So
is
you can
it?
change it, yes.
Oh, wow.
It kind of gives you a little extra place,
Yeah.
for eating. You can put some bar stools around it.
Yeah.
You didn't want a traditional dining area.
Oh, that's amazing. And I love the butcher block look.
Yes.
Is that one of the options, or do all of them come with this?
Yes, we like doing the islands with the butcher block.
Yeah.
They actually put a polyurethane coat over it to stain it a little bit.
Uh-huh.
But we can do this or the
Or
laminate.
this. Oh, okay. Yeah.
But a lot of our customers opt for this for the look.
Yeah, it does.
And then we also have another storage space over the refrigerator.
Yes.
As well.
That's awesome. So obviously that's an electric fridge too.
Yes, you have to get creative with the spaces, but that's another thing where park models are,
Yeah.
a little bit more customizable than RVs, because you can tell me kind of what you're looking for,
Yeah.
your background, and I can come up with ideas
Yeah.
of optimizing storage.
Okay. That's amazing. Now we're going to talk about the setup. I do have to say, I absolutely love this porch. How fun is that? I mean, it's a solid porch right off your RV. How cool.
Yes. So this floor plan actually has an 8-foot porch, but our 2-bedroom floor plan that's 14-foot wide actually has a 10-foot porch.
Oh, wow.
Which is very nice.
That's amazing. You can
Yes.
even screen it in depending where you're at. That's absolutely great.
Yes.
All right, this thing is big, it's beautiful. So how does it move?
Well, so when customers purchase the home and we provide delivery, we do use a mobile home semi-truck for delivery. But these units can be moved with a heavy-duty truck. So let's say they place it somewhere, but you decide you want to turn it around on your property. You can totally do that with a heavy-duty truck.
Okay.
If it happens to be in a flood zone and there's a hurricane coming,
Yep.
you can move it inland if you needed to.
That's amazing.
But once it arrives, it's dropped off. If you want to do block pillars underneath for stabilization, you can totally do that. But our units come with 4 axles. It's built on a 12-inch I-beam, so there's no movement essentially. So if you didn't want to do that, you don't have to. But essentially, if you want to do the block pillars for a little bit more stabilization, and they work exactly like an RV stabilizer. Pull some steps up to it and plug everything in, you're good to go. You can stay in it on the same day that it's delivered.
So plugging it in, how does it run? Is it just like an RV?
Yes, it plugs with a 50 amp camper cord.
Oh, wow.
Water is connected with a traditional water hose. And you connect to septic with a quick disconnect, like you would if you were at a campground.
Okay, there's just no holding tanks.
Correct, there is no holding tank,
just
so you
goes
do have to have
directly out.
on-site septic.
Okay, wow.
First start building the houses, we level them out. So now when we go to move them, we got to take the blocks out of it, and we're going to drag them out. We'll move this first one first, and we're going to take the second one and do the same thing, pull it out here to the front.
So basically we're sending these to the customer to pick up.
We're moving these out today, but the back one is going Saturday to the customer, and this front one is going next week, Wednesday, Thursday. It's going to be headed out.
Awesome.
Going to the customers.
So we're watching the guys bring out the first park model out of the hangar, ready for pickup next week. The brown and green one that's coming out next is being picked up tomorrow by the customer. But just watching these things move, easy, seamless, just like a travel trailer. Park models built to go straight to the destination and live with great quality amenities, everything that we just can't have in our fifth wheel. Look at this thing move. It's fantastic. So one of the things I love about this entire process of part models built here on site is right behind me. All of the wood that it takes to build these quality products. Had no idea. I mean, these units, they are massive, they are well built. I can't believe it. So just coming here and seeing all this, seeing the hard work that Phoenix Manufacturing is doing, seeing the hard work that the guys go through to make these things, the immense product that they are, can't say enough. Definitely an eye-opener for us. The guys are still moving the units, but wow, I can't believe it. These things are built solid.
All right, so now that you've seen the finished product with the floor plan we just saw, we're next door in a half-finished floor plan, same space, just a different floor plan. So how many floor plans do you guys have?
Okay, so we have a handful of floor plans. This unit here, pretty well the customer picked out one of our floor plans. He picked the exterior, he picked the interior finishes. Right now we're waiting on some lighting that he chose, waiting on the cabinets, and it's about finished.
So it's pretty super customizable. Looking at the other floor plan, you had a big kitchen, less living space. And this one you have more living space and you'll have a smaller kitchen. So
That's right.
It's really whatever fits your lifestyle.
So this unit is actually being built as a vacation rental.
Oh,
So
okay.
naturally, you can skimp on the kitchen a little, and
People like to go out to eat when they're on vacation.
Yes, that's right. A little more room, in the living room.
That makes sense. Yeah, that's fantastic. All right. Well, thank you so much, Jodi and Colton. It's been amazing to learn about the product. Thank you for working so hard to making people's dreams come true. I mean, for such a wonderful budget to be able to just have your own cabin on your land, or, take it to a seasonal site in an RV park where you bought a spot, or whatever it may be. I mean, without you, this wouldn't be possible. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you guys for coming.
So how epic was that? Taking you guys behind the scenes on the building from the ground up of part models. How amazing.
I know. We learned so much. We are so excited that we got you with us and learning at the same time.
You know what? We started this series to make sure that we can show all of you how the RV industry is made, and all of the people that make it up, all the small businesses, everyone that contributes to the dreams that we love.
Yeah.
Traveling the country, enjoying the spirit of travel with your family and friends. It's second to none.
Yes.
We're glad you're here with us, and we'll see you next time.